Yeah, am I speaking with Mr. Barnes? Oh, Mimi. Mimi, how are you doing today? Okay. Is Mr. Barnes my business partner around? No, it's Joe from Akpadon's Group of Company Nigerian Limited. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, my brother is fine. Everything is fine. I caught updating about our new houses on market. Yes, we have this duplex on Victoria Highline. The other one at First Tag Town. I know you will like them for sure. The prices are very affordable. Yes. Please just help me pass the information to him, okay? When he comes back. Mimi, soft lady. Yeah, I can't stop thinking of what you did to me last time you came to Nigeria. You almost made me run mad. Yeah, you almost killed me. Yes, I miss you so much. I love you so much. Can't do without you. Yes, I know you love me too. Okay, yeah, for sure. I want you to come over to Nigeria. When are you coming? Next week? Wow, I'm so glad about that. Oh, your flight money? Don't worry, I'll wire it immediately. I'll wire it, don't worry, I'll just wire it immediately. There's no problem about that. Yeah,
Joe, I need to talk to you for a minute.
About what?
I'm talking about your affair with Mimi.
Mimi?
Bro, how could you do this to Frank? You know what I'm talking about? How do you think?
I don't understand.
You know what I'm talking about. Don't tell me you don't understand.
I don't understand.
Bro, I don't like this. You know this is not good for business. How do you think Frank would react if he discovered that you're having an affair with Mimi? I don't like this shit. I don't like it.
I'm not getting any.
I said I don't like it. You know what I'm talking about,
Can
bro?
you explain to me?
Your affair with Mimi, I don't like it. This thing is not good for business, bro. This thing is not good for business. Stop it, it's not good for business. I don't like it. Bro, I don't like this thing. I don't like it. I don't like this.
Calm down.
This thing is not good.
Calm down, guy.
How could you do this?
You not guy.
How could you do this thing? This thing is not good. I don't like it. You better stop it. Wait till sir. Wait till. Eh? Do this one, do. If I do this one.
Of relationship, Uncle Don says I must take him before he takes me to the altar. Idara, as you can see me so, I'm so tired and fed up and I want to quit this relationship.
Eh?
Yes?
You want to quit?
Yes?
But sister, you know it's a normal thing now, eh? He just wants to test. Don't you know that guy is well loaded? Eh? Can't you see? Do you want someone to tell you? Please, you better think about it, oh. How would you just quit relationship like that? Please, oh.
Idara, do you know that the younger brother make advances towards me?
Eh?
Yes.
That's a good one, oh.
How?
See, she said your husband is not functioning well.
Yes.
Why don't you go to the younger one?
God forbid.
I
can't do such thing.
Okay.
Please, don't give me such advice, oh.
I
can't do such thing.
Sister, be there. Let them make pants they wear you. If I wear you, I will gladly accept. Just be there. Don't you know that family is well rich? Please, I don't have time to say anything. I'm going inside. I want to go and eat.
Jesus. I should. Okay. I think I'll do something about that too. That's a very nice idea. No, I'll do something about that. Oh, you see.
Hey,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Happy. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You are cleaning?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. How's my brother?
He's fine. He traveled to Abuja. He says he's not coming back now.
Oh yes. He told me that this morning before I left. I'm so tired. I'm having a headache. Today work. Yes. Today work was so stressful.
Oh, please, can I help you to pull off your clothes?
Oh, okay. Thank you. So caring. Thank you so much. You see, I'm so proud of you. I wish I was a lucky man. I wish I was your husband. Are you okay? Happy?
Yeah, okay. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine. Please.
Oh, you're putting me in the mood. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay. Please, I just want to have a little fun.
You want to have fun?
Yeah.
You are still in my heart happy. Are you a criminal?
Please, no, I just want to have a little fun. Please.
I don't understand.
Please.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
Good afternoon, Manzi.
Well done. You're always working on this farm. You're a hard-working girl, oh.
Thank you, sir.
What is your name?
Osila.
Osila. And I did not know your father.
Mazi Okeke.
Mazi Okeke, the little girl of yesterday. You're a hard-working girl.
Thank you, sir.
Don't be offended, though. I would like my nephew in the city to get married to someone like you, because you're a hard-working girl.
I don't have a problem with that, sir, but you have to inform my people.
Your parents?
Yes.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Then consider it done. I'll come to your place before nightfall today. I'll come to your place. My regards to your parents,
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Please do keep it up, oh.
Yes,
keep it up,
Thank you. You too, Mary.
Hello? Oh, uncle. Good morning, sir. How you doing, sir? How's your family? Oh, very good, very good, very good. You want to get me a wife? Uncle. Uncle. You are very funny, sir. Uncle, if I need a wife, I know how to get a wife. Is that necessary? They are coming to Lagos. Fine, if you are coming with your girlfriend, there's no problem. We have a room for both of you, yeah? There's no problem about that. My wife. Well, okay, no problem. When you get him, I don't like her, she will go back to village immediately. You know, I don't like nonsense. No problem. Greet your wife, your children, and everybody. Thank you. This uncle said, funny man.
Baby,
Yes, darling.
my sweetheart, my sugar.
Yes, baby.
But you see, like this, I get joy. I remove my cap for you. So what up?
I'm fine.
How you doing? Your face is like this. I don't understand.
I'm not
I'll
fine.
be okay.
I'm not fine. Seriously, I'm not fine.
So what is it?
I've been dizzy since morning.
Busy?
Yes, I've been dizzy since morning. And
You know me, I'm not a medical doctor and I don't understand. What do you mean?
but baby, there's something I want to tell you. I've
What's
been
that?
keeping you away from you for some time now. I missed my period.
It's your period, like, I don't get it.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Pregnant for me?
Yes, baby.
You're pregnant for me?
Yes, baby.
You mean you're for me?
Yes, baby.
Chineke me. You're pregnant for me?
Yes.
We need to bust alarm. We need to blow the alarm to the whole world to hear it. You see?
Yes, yeah.
There's good news here. In fact, something has happened.
Where's that?
You're She's pregnant for me.
Oh. Pregnant?
I need to sing a song.
Ah.
Go plant some seed, now that rain is falling.
Pregnant.
Because tomorrow may be too late. You got it? Go plant some seed, now that rain is falling.
Hey.
Because tomorrow may be too late.
Pregnant.
Because tomorrow may be too late. You got it? Go plant some seed, now that rain is falling.
Hey.
Because tomorrow may be too late. That's we need to pop champagne.
That's
The
good.
thing of joy.
Idara,
Yes, you see.
please come. I have something.
Yeah, Idara, how are you?
I'm fine.
Have a seat. Sit down.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, is this that one?
No.
Is the husband around?
Not at all.
So now what is it on?
No. Just me.
Okay, just you. I have good news.
Share with me.
Next week, I have a trip in Dubai, and I want you to go with me.
Dubai? Wow, I'm ever ready.
We are going to Dubai, and
Okay.
anything we see in Dubai, we will buy. You know what? From Dubai, I'm taking the next flight to UK.
Hi, I don't blow. Omo.
From UK, we are taking the next available flight to USA.
Don't blow. Hey.
I want to spoil you.
I'm never ready.
Anything you want.
Who is this beautiful angel?
It's your wife.
Uncle, is this the one you brought for me? She's so beautiful. Babe, what is her name? Osila. I had a village guest know how to cook. I hope you know how to cook.
Please offer me water.
Uncle, okay, let me get you something.
So how you doing? Do you know how to cook edikaikong? Yes. Do you know how to cook afan soup? That's good. That's good.
This is city drink, oh.
Yeah.
Oibo.
You know it.
Oibo.
Uncle, you know it.
Oibo drink.
Sabian.
Thank you. Sergio, how about your wife?
She's fine, she's fine. You know, she's
heavy
now.
She's
heavy.
You are a man, oh.
Uncle,
Please help me talk. You know my hand is. I'm old now.
Uncle.
So.
Like my mangozi.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank God. Oh, thank God.
Welcome. I hope the journey was not stressful.
Normal traffic now. Normal traffic. But all times to go, at least we are getting to our destination. You see. Thank you. God bless you.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Osila.
Oh, bless all of us. So, whatever we laid our hand on, we bring God more blessings. In Jesus' name.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
You see,
Sir.
I don't have much time.
Okay, sir.
This is the girl I brought for you. She's a very hardworking girl.
I like her, sir.
So please, I actually met her in her farm where she was working. So she's a very hardworking girl, and I want you to take good care of her. Please, make sure you take good care of her. I want you to come to the village so we'll go and see her family.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, all right.
Thank you very much. I will do exactly that.
Okay.
I will
Thank
do
you,
that.
sir.
I appreciate you,
All
sir.
right.
I appreciate you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank
You
very
see.
Osila.
Well done, eh?
Yes, sir.
Hello, you see.
Hi, Happy. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I want to talk to you for a minute.
About what?
About your pregnancy.
What about it?
You know this pregnancy belongs to me.
What?
No, this pregnancy belongs to me.
Please don't say that again. Don't allow anyone hear this from you. Do you hear me? What's insolent? What's wrong with you? What do you take me for? What pregnancy? What are you saying? What are you talking about? Please don't make this statement anymore. Do you hear me?
Happy, you better cooperate, or else.
Please don't make mention of this. Look at this guy.
You better cooperate.
What's wrong with this small boy?
This pregnancy belongs to me, or else.
It's never yours, and it can never be yours.
My brother will hear this.
Do your worst. But don't say anything about my pregnancy. If not, I will deal with you. What's insolent? What's wrong with this small boy?
You better cooperate.
Are you crazy? Are you mad?
I'm telling you, you better cooperate.
Please go to hell for all I care. Go to hell. Look at this small boy. My pregnancy. What for? I will deal with him. No, I will deal with him. I will deal with him. I'm innocent or I'm guilty of what I did. Why would I kill him? When he promised exposing me, please, oh, please. I'm going to the market.
This can't happen. The father of my unborn child. I'm gonna bring justice to his death. Because I can't take care of this child alone. I'm gonna do something. Oh. Is anybody at home? Is anyone at home? Is anyone at home?
What is that?
Nothing. No, no, I just came to.
She's dead. She's dead. What did you do to her? What did you do to her? Idara!
I didn't do anything.
Hey! She's dead, oh!
I didn't do
Idara,
anything.
you've
I
killed
swear to God, I
her!
didn't do anything.
You've killed your sister, Idara!
I'm sorry.
Idara! I'm gonna call the police for you. I'm gonna call.
It was the work of the devil, please. I'm sorry.
Hey! This is bad. You killed her. I'm coming. See, you. Hello?
Have I
Is
done?
that inspector police? Is that inspector? Come to my house. Yes, it's Don Juan. Hurry up! Look at that. What's happening here? Look at
In a minute. I'm sorry.
Ah! So people can be wicked like this?
My wife is dead. She has killed her. Oh. She has killed her. She
People
has
can be
killed
wicked
her.
like
She
this?
has killed her. Get her arrested. Get her arrested.
I'm sorry.
Oh, get her arrested.
Will you shut up there? My name is Mr. Good News from the state command.
Oh my God.
You are arrested for committing a murder. People can be wicked like this.
Arrest her. Arrest her. Arrest her.
Remember, any word you use here will be against you when you get to the court of law.
Oh God, let me try and get the chief. Hello, this is Obi. Yes, I'm calling about the murder case with Happy. This is the girl's mother. Chief, you want that big promotion, right? You know I got the connections. I can help you get that promotion. I need you to do me a big favor. Listen to me what I am saying, oh. Right. I need you to get an emergency passport for my other daughter that was convicted of the murder because she was provoked. Right. I need you to fly her out to the UK fast. Yes. I know it is not right. But what Happy done was not right neither. She is not my real daughter. Oh, God forbid. She is not my real daughter. I took her out of her orphanage when she was young, when her parents died. She has been giving me trouble from a small child. Hey, father. Listen to me, Chief. You got to do something. I am desperate here. I'm desperate. I will wire you the money and you will get your promotion. What more do you want? Now, you listen to me, as I will make your life very difficult. Very difficult, oh. You will go on the street like a madman. Do you want that to happen? Don't test me. Now I need you to get that emergency passport for my other daughter and fly her out to the UK fast. Like from yesterday. Do you hear me? As I will take a plane and come to Africa and make sure you lose your job and everything and you will be paperless. Right. Happy was no good. She was sleeping with you, see. I'm pregnant. And by the way, do you know my other daughter is pregnant for UC? And now he's dead, oh. She don't have no father for her child. Eh? So you listen to me good, because I'm only going to say it once. You sort out the emergency passport. Eh? And get my daughter over to England, and you will be given some money. Ah, right. And you will get the promotion. I will see to it. Don't test me. This is my daughter's life we're talking about. Eh? Right. May happy be happy in hello. Right. No good bitch. I will call you back in 2 hours. Make sure you got the documents lined up for her. Eh? All right. Yeah. Oi, father. What a life. You see, loss does not pay. It don't pay. Loss don't pay. Eh? Cause look, people are losing their life over a little bit of sex. Huh? Please, let this be a lesson to you too. Okay, later.